Happy Sunday. Please watch my community page. It's free. Subscribing is free. Hit the like. Leave a comment so we can get this going out further. I am not monetized. I do not make any money doing this. I do this strictly because the Lord called me to do it. Yes. There's 2 Chuck Misslers on there that I just put up. Wow. Amazing. He was way before his time. Yes, keep an eye on this day. We could go away. To a good place. All right. Things are moving right along. Israel's rocking. And the Chuck Missler, it's an amazing interview. Part of it kind of blanks out at the end, but you still hear him. But listen to every word. I've listened to it like 5 times already today. It's amazing in comparison to now and what we're going through now in this country, in this world. Happy Sunday and praise Jesus. Love you all. And Jesus loves you more.